begin to think about the impact for U.S. oil producers, many of which are soaring double digits today?
Well, not wanting to be dancing on someone's grave, but it's obviously a positive for the U.S. producers. We have the lowest cost of capital in the Permian, tremendous oil reserves, now the biggest producing oil field in the world. And we always thought that being a major producer in Texas would be probably a pretty good thing to be. We're absolutely shocked by what's happened in Saudi Arabia. I can't tell you. And now we're thinking, okay, who are they going to attack? Right, that's the situation we're in.
Why so shocked? Because you thought they'd be able to defend themselves, or you never thought that the Iranians, if indeed it was them, would take things to this level?
Both. I mean, we thought that the facilities were triple redundant, in the middle of nowhere, giant in scale, very, very difficult to shut down, but they've been shut down. So, that's point one. And as far as, what happens next, we've obviously got an ongoing situation with the Houthis, but everybody's clearly saying this came from Iran. So, what are you going to do about it?
If you do see a Saudi response against Iran, what would that mean for the price of oil?
It'll be horrific. I mean, it's potentially a full-scale war situation in the Middle East, obviously.
We always use this rhetoric that the U.S. is not a swing producer. I mean, who can make up the shortfall if it persists from the Middle East and Saudi in particular for an extended period of time?
Well, we've been big proponents of not raising capex for higher prices. So we're trying to get these companies to actually generate some returns. At the moment, what you're going to see is a U.S. government response in all likelihood, depending on how long the outage lasts, because we really don't know how long we're going to be out here with this loss from Saudi. But obviously, we're looking at the SPR, we're looking at the IEA, and they're not doing anything right now. We don't want U.S. E&Ps to go out and double their capex budgets. That's not their job.
Many on Wall Street, have not been fans of the E&P companies. It's the worst performing sector year to date. I mean, is this a total game changer for you on how you
Yeah, we upgraded Parsley Energy this morning because we want to get along the Permian immediately, like no questions asked. So some people think, is this going to be a transient effect? Our view is you've structurally raised risk premium in oil.